Are there energy techniques that can help you be more creative? Hi, I'm Donna Eden, and I have been in the field of energy medicine for 40 years.
And I'm David Feinstein, and I've watched her in the field of energy medicine for 40 years, and I really started using it in my own clinical psychology practice about 15 years ago to great success.
And one of the questions that often come our way is, how can you become more creative? Are there energy techniques that can help you be more creative? And I want to say, yes, there are. They will all make you feel more creative after a while because you align your energies with your highest energies, with your highest goals. One of the ways is to connect heaven and earth. Okay, I'm going to show it to you, okay? I'm going to reach up to the heavens and down to the earth, flatten both hands, hold my breath and look up. And then I come back down and I go the other way. And then I go back down and I go the other way. So at least that many times, and then you bend over and you just hang and do 2 deep breaths here.
So what you've been doing is you're getting all the energy moving in your body, and that sparks creativity.
And now figure eights. What figure eights do, they're remarkable. It seems like nothing, but they are so good because they connect up all the energy fields in the whole body. A second technique is the Crownpool. And the reason you would need this is that, especially in the Western culture, our heads get so stuffed with what we're thinking about, and you want to empty it. Make space in your head so that oxygen can move through, so that blood can move through, so that cerebrospinal fluid can come up and move through. And this is all you do, is you push your fingers into your forehead hard and pull it out to your temples. And then you travel across the top of your head, going out about 1 inch to each side, pushing in and pulling apart, and go across the back side of your head in the same way. And when you get to your neck, you push in and pull to the sides. Push in and pull to the sides, and then hang on your shoulders. And then take a deep breath in, let your breath out, and come to your heart chakra. And just linger there for a minute.